Okay, so we have arrived at the temple and turn left here. Okay, and the most magnificent part about this is these beautiful trees here, which you can see have made a natural path. And you can see there's two statues on either side. They are protecting the temple. Okay, so the temple is a little bit under construction here. So, but you can still see how beautiful it is here. So, kind of like the difference between a Japanese shrine and temple is you can see here there is a place where you can burn some incense. So that would be for a temple because they're praying for the deceased family members or loved ones. Okay, and so this is where you would put the incense to pray. Okay. And you can see here that these figures are holding up the incense pot here. Okay, so follow me, come inside. You can buy the happy cat, lucky cats here. So here it is. I bought the tiniest one. You can see it here. It's like so tiny. A lucky cat. And also when you get it, it will tell you the original story of the waving cat. There it is. Okay, so follow me this way. This is where you can see a lot of the Gotokuji Temple's cats. Follow me. Here it is. Thank you for joining me at Gotokuji Temple. どうもありがとうございました。